going on, everyone? We gotta go over AVANTIS because we literally just broke out of a bullish pattern, but we went sideways when we broke out of it, and it's still not going up. So we gotta talk about this because this is crazy. This is ridiculous. But anyways, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But let's get straight into this. So we're up a little over 2% in the last 24 hours, right? But things are a little bit slow right now with AVANTIS and with the whole overall crypto market. Like the 24-hour trading volume for AVANTIS is decent, 71 million, but the market cap is at 101 million. That's pretty low. And then also we just broke out of a falling wedge here, and falling wedges, as you know, are bullish signs. But when we got out of the falling wedge, we literally just went sideways out of it. We didn't go up, we didn't go down. We just got out of the falling wedge going sideways. Now, this is pretty concerning because, we could get a dump pretty soon because we tried to break out to the upside here when we got out of it, but we got rejected at this resistance. So if AVANTIS doesn't pump to 47 cents right now, we're going to end up seeing AVANTIS dumping below 35 cents all the way down to 28 cents like I've been talking about the whole time. And at this point, everybody knows it. It's no secret. The bull market is over. The bear market is here. So I think we're going to have temporary rallies followed by big pullbacks, sideways trading movement, more pullbacks, and more temporary rallies, right? For instance, like what if we break out right now? Well, there's nothing stopping us from going to 47 cents and then coming all the way back down to 35 and then down to 28 and then pumping again to 57 cents or something and then coming all the way back down, right? I think we're going to have temporary rallies, and I think we might be trading sideways for a long time in the market because, if we don't break out now, then I really do feel like it's not gonna look too good for the crypto market. But anyways, 2026 is probably going to be pretty bearish for crypto. So I wouldn't be a bag holder. I'm not telling anyone to sell. I'm not telling anyone to buy or anything like that. All I'm just saying is what I'm doing. I'm not going to be a bag holder. But I mean, I still do think that AVANTIS and projects like AVANTIS, like Aster and stuff like that, they have actual use cases. So there's going to be a lot of altcoins that probably just fall off, because during every single bull market, we have altcoins that fall off, right? But AVANTIS, I think, is going to be one that sticks around because it has an actual platform that actually does things, and people actually make money, and they actually make a living off of trading on AVANTIS. I don't think AVANTIS is going anywhere. So I think this is definitely here to stay. But unfortunately, the overall crypto market has entered a bear market. So unfortunately, I got to go bearish here now. So I'm bearish on AVANTIS and everything else. And I think it's going to be going sideways, up and down, but nowhere but extremely up, right? It's only going to go up temporarily and completely come down. We're going to see a lot of trading movement or a lot of sideways trading here for the market. But like I said, there's a lot of use cases for AVANTIS, even Aster. You can literally trade the S&P 500 on AVANTIS like that. That shows you can do it up to 100x leverage, which is actually pretty crazy. But yeah, a lot of people are making big money on AVANTIS. This person made 10.7K on Bitcoin. This person made 19K on USDC or on Ethereum. So yeah, a lot of people are making good money on AVANTIS. I think that this platform's not going nowhere. So that's pretty much all I got for you guys today. I just wanted to, kindly tell you guys, I don't think we're breaking out of this falling wedge. So I think after this falling wedge here, we're pretty bearish. So we're just going to have to wait and see. Because even when we got listed to Robinhood, like we got listed to Robinhood right here. And I thought this would be what brings us out of the falling wedge. But no, we get listed to Robinhood and then it just keeps going down, 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 down because the overall market is dragging us down. Now that we're out of this falling wedge, we might have a temporary pump, yes. But again, if Bitcoin continues to dump, it'll continue to pull everything else down with it. And I already did an analysis on Bitcoin. It's about to actually drop again. The %R trend exhaustion is coming down here. The short-term trend's coming down here towards the long-term trend. And it's going to be just like how it did back here. You're going to see the same exact thing that you've seen back here. The short-term trend breaks out, comes back because the long-term trend didn't break out with it. Trade sideways for a bit. Well, doesn't trade sideways. That's actually That was actually a whole selling period right there. The percent R trend exhaustion is sideways. But when I say sideways, I mean like percent R trend exhaustion wise, that means the price is going down actively. So yeah, this is pretty much all I got for you guys today. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on AVANTIS, all these other projects. But yeah, we could be seeing another drop in AVANTIS soon as well. And again, same thing with Bitcoin. The short-term trend on the percent R trend exhaustion is up, but the long-term trend is sideways. That is going to bring the price down. So unfortunately, 28 cents soon. But anyways, this is all I got for you guys today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. As always, I'll be back with another video.